So I'm Fanny and I work as a product manager at Mercateam for 2 years. So my role is to understand customer needs. Then I work with the product designer to shape solutions. And finally, I work in collaboration with the engineering team to implement solutions. So first, before building a feature, we conduct user research to better understand the customer needs and be able to design a solution that solves them. And once the feature is launched, we try to collect a lot of customer feedback through email, meetings, or whatever. Then we try to track the usage data to understand if the feature is used, how it's used, etc. And thanks to these points, we can define if the feature solves or not the Shopfloor issues, and if not, we can try to improve it. I think it was when we released our schedule custom view because it brings more flexibility to team leaders and answers better their operational needs and specific sector needs.